Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back in the salon. I think I prefer the setup. It's just much easier with everything. And for today's install, this is from Wiggins Hair. This is how it's looking. It's their HD lace. It's a 13 by 6, which I love, and I can't wait to do some cool styles to it. I'll probably just do a body wave look for this install today, but check my Instagram for other type of tutorials. And I am sick, so sorry about that. But yeah, 13 by 6. I already bleached the knots, so it's ready to go, and I did a bit of plucking, but the lace looks really nice, so really excited. And they said this was a 26-inch and 200 density. That's how it's looking. So I've already done the bald cap and everything, so we're just gonna put it on my head and then go from there. So that's fitting, actually not that bad. I sometimes struggle with certain HD lace wigs, but this one's fitting really good, so that's great. And it's a nice tight fit. I think I got a small cap. Oh, a medium cap. I got a medium cap, so if you think your head's around my shape, then you should get this size. Alright, and I do like bringing my wigs a bit closer, like a little bit further than my hairline, just so that I don't have to deal with any pulling or... I still have my hot comb, and I think I like how I plucked it. I'm going to try to do minimal type of baby hairs, I think. I don't know, I say that, but then I'm probably not going to do that. I put a mirror up here, and I think I like that better. I'm actually surprised at how good this lace is fitting. That's awesome. I'm thinking around there for the hairline. Not too crazy close, but I'm just going to mark the dots. Now I'm going to use some Bold Hold. Bold Hold Active, my favorite. And I'm going to do about 3 layers. And of course clean the area. Right, just want to press that in, and then using the melting band, I'm just going to melt this for about 5-ish to 10 minutes, just until it's dry. Now using my melting band, and in the meantime, I'm just going to make a middle part with the hot comb. Just like that. That looks so good. And I'm just gonna have to find the middle part. Now I'm going to cut the lace using scissors and also an eyebrow razor. I'm just going back and forth between those two. very good. Actually, I'm gonna put the mirror right here because that was a little hard. I don't know what I did with this hairline, but it is giving. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this install. Gonna clean up the dots now, but it's looking really good. Don't even think I'm gonna do baby hairs, honestly. I don't know. So I changed my mind and I'm gonna do minimal baby hairs. So I've already put the sections out. I'm just gonna cut them and then curl them, then loose them. Use some mousse, this is the argan mousse, and also put some of my tint in it as well. This is my tint. Melt one more time. Okay, so now that everything is just doing its thing, I'm gonna curl hair using my curling iron. It's just the Hot Tools barrel, and I believe it's a 1.5 inch. I'm correct, and I'm just gonna do some curls all going outwards, and yeah, I'll be back for the end. Is pretty much all done. I just have the front, and I'm gonna cut some layers. Take this off. This lace is really good. Like, I'm not even trying to gas it or anything, but it's actually amazing. Wow. Now I'm definitely gonna need some accent here. some spritz to fix up the edges, just to lay them a little flat. We are pretty much done. Let me brush this out. Alright guys, I am all done. This is the final look. It's amazing. I'm actually blown away by the hair quality. So good, and you can really tell, and even with the lace you can really tell that it's like actually good lace. Did not have any problems like melting this, and it's great because it'll work with most skin types and like colors, I mean, but all you have to do is put a little tint, maybe. I didn't even have to do none of that, but so good. I love it. The hair is so soft, and it's a nice density. It's like perfect enough for me. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, comment below what you'd like to see next, and make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in my next video.